In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drawing in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sketch inside Grok, fine-tune your drawing with colors, and guide the AI to enhance your image using a simple prompt. First, open your Grok account and make sure you're on the main chat screen. If you see the conversation area with a message box at the bottom, you're in the right place. This is where you'll interact with Grok and attach your sketch. Next, look for the chat input at the bottom and click the attach icon. It usually looks like a paperclip. When the attach menu appears, choose Draw a Sketch. This opens Grok's built-in sketchpad, which is perfect for quick diagrams, thumbnails, or rough ideas you want the AI to understand and refine. Inside the sketchpad, you're free to draw. Take a moment to get comfortable with the tools. Select a color that fits the part of the drawing you're working on, and switch colors as needed to separate elements or add emphasis. If there's a size or thickness option for the brush, use a thinner line for detail and a thicker line for outlines or shading. Keep your sketch simple and clear. Grok responds really well to clean shapes, labels, and distinct sections, so don't worry about making it perfect. Aim for clarity over polish. As you draw, zoom in if that's available to tidy up edges or add small features. If you make a mistake, use undo rather than trying to scribble over it. Contrast is your friend. Darker lines for structure and lighter lines for hints can help Grok interpret your intent. When you're satisfied with the sketch, click Done. This confirms the drawing and attaches it to your chat. You'll see the image preview appear above the message box, ready to be processed by Grok. Now, type your prompt clearly in the chat box. A great starting point is something like, turn this image into a more detailed one. You can add specifics to guide the AI, such as the style you want, the level of realism, or any features you'd like emphasized. The clearer your instruction, the better the result, but keep it in one smooth instruction that pairs with your attached sketch. Finally, press Enter to send the sketch and your prompt together. Grok will analyze your drawing, follow your direction, and return an enhanced version based on your ideas. If you need adjustments, refine your wording and repeat the process until it matches your vision.